Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, you all know I have started the Python 30-day 30-minute challenge. So, today I'm going to cover variable, number, string, and comments. But wait, you people ask, ma'am, in yesterday class itself, in day 5 itself, you have explained this, then why this again? This is because yesterday I have explained the theoretical part, but today I will show each and everything practically only. And I will tell you here what things we should have to take care whenever we are going to write the code, what is, format, each and everything I will explain totally practical. No theory is there, but before going to practical we should know have to be theory part. That's why yesterday I have explained the theoretical part. Today I will explain everything on practical only. So, without any delay, I will start. See, today whatever the thing I am going to cover, Python variable. What is variable? I already have explained. Now, today I will explain naming in Python variable. It means what rule you must have to be follow, and example, assignment values, and after that, comments, single line comment, multi line comments, and quotes and numbers in Python like integer, float, arithmetic operation. In arithmetic operation, how can you use all these things? I will show you the example also plot together. Then string manipulation in Python. So that topic is new. So I will cover theory as well as practical. Not new. I have covered in yesterday class, but that was very little. So I will explain more detail way like what is a string, what is a string manipulation, concatenation, repetition, indexing, slicing, and format output using f string, and expression, essential string methods, string immutability. What is immutability? So these topics today you people are going to learn with me. So without any further delay, first start with variable. What is variable? So that yesterday only I explained, a variable is a name that is used to store data inside it, and the data is value. So yesterday I told you, if one bottle is there, so that bottle is variable, and inside whatever the water is there, that is value. Now, purpose to store data, like water is used to bottle is used to store water, to water is data. Make code readable, reusable, perform operations. Salary is मान लो 50,000 है, then bonus is this much, so total salary is bonus plus salary. Naming, so this is the most important thing, and after explaining this thing I will start the practical. So naming variable in Python, so there is certain rules. You all know that Python is case sensitive language. So when we are going to start writing the variable in Python, so you must start with letters like small letter, capital letter, that doesn't matter. But if you are writing in small, so that A to Z all will be in small. If you are writing, you know, capital, so all will be in a caps. But it will start with letters only, or underscore, and it can contain letter, number, and underscore. No space will be there, and it will be case sensitive, and it should not be start with numbers like numeric value. For example, like this is correct, name Python, underscore name Python, user one, admin, that is also fine, but invalid, it should not start with numeric value like this is started with number, so is invalid. User hyphen space is equal to abc, hyphen not allowed. Underscore is allowed, hyphen is not allowed, so this is invalid. And space is also not allowed. Class 10 keyword, so that is also not allowed, and that is invalid. Because you understand now. What then? You will ask, what is the best practice? Use snake case, means one underscore, like this is the snake case, total underscore marks if you have to write. Use meaningful name like employee id, is active. Avoid single letter, you should not have to write a b like that. So this is the naming guidance. Okay, and this is the thing which I'm going to show you. So previously I have shown you many things, on git bash also I have explained. So from today we are going to practice, because I thought to explain in mercury and all the way, but I think everyone is not compatible with that. So that's why from now onwards I will show the practical in PyCharm. I know all of you understood. I'm just expecting that how to download PyCharm. If you don't expect, don't worry, you just go to the Google and here, go to the Google and just write download PyCharm for Windows. From JetBrains you just have to go, click on it, and you have to download it. I already have, that's why I'm not going to download it, and you have to just next, and you can start using. So this is the thing. See, here I have already did. So let's remove all of this thing and we will explain from right starting. So if we'll see, I will show you how it is wrong. See, first this example is true, okay? So I'm just going to write this example in my PyCharm. Just Control C, Control V. Okay, now just run it with this. With the help of this, you can just run script. See, process finished with exit code 0, because I'm not printing anything, but it is not giving any error. If you want to print, you can print also. Okay, but as of now I'm not printing, but it is not giving any error. If you will see my output now, I hope your people are able to find it, my screen. Now let's move to the second one. This is invalid, and let's try this, what output we are getting. This, remove it. Now run this. We are getting error. Error is syntax error. Why? Because I told you numeric is not allowed. So whatever I told you, see, we are getting error because this is invalid. Okay, so now just remove it. Let's move to the next example and I will show you. This is invalid. Now total marks is this. Constant max limit itna and constant is now. This also if you will give, it will run. It will not print because we are not printing as of now, but it will not give you the error. See, process finished with exit code 0, but it is not giving error. Now single assignment. Assignment values to variables. Single assignment x is equal to 10. Multiple assignment abc 1 2 3. Same value to multiple, like this. Variable typing in Python, dynamic value. So this. Now check type. See, this Python is dynamic typed. So you no need to write like this 10 is x is equal to 10 is equal to int, or x is equal to 10 is equal to 10. It will give you the value. So I will show you that. See, just write, copy it. This is commented, so it is not going to print, but as of now let me show you. Remove it, otherwise leave it. Okay, this is the value. Okay, now this is what is this value. Let me show you without writing also. If you will go and let me print it. Okay, so print. So how can we check the variable type? So that is the command, print parenthesis and x. What is x? So go and paste it and now run the script. Class string. This 10 is string class. Okay, Now see, class string you are getting. Now here we both have written x. If but that is caps and that is small, so let me do one thing. Now you will ask why it is giving 10, why it is not giving this. 1 minute. So better to avoid that, just write a is equal to this, okay, and b is equal to this, okay. Now just write print a here and run. This is integer. So if you will print a, it is giving integer value. If you will write here b and run, this is string value. So this is dynamic value you will get, because here we no need to define the variable. It already it will give, but it okay, because it is dynamic type. So data no need to declare. So we will check the variable type. Now common data types. See, Varsha is 25, salary is, that is float value. Is employee, that is boolean value. True or false. Boolean value is true or false. If something is giving, that is boolean value we call. Now skills, AWS, Docker, that is list, because yesterday I think I have covered that this, if something is in a square bracket, that is list. But don't worry, I will cover in upcoming days list example also. I'm just taking a common example to make you understand. Now you are writing like this and you are writing like this, okay. So Python does not enforce type hint at runtime, okay. So if you are running this type and you will ask the Python the type of value, it will give you. Like this is the real, I'm giving the example. This is what, this is a string, this is integer value, this is float. Float means dash values. And if you want, I will do one thing. Just copy it, or you, for you people, you just have to write it, okay. Remove it all, right here. Now print name, you just better to print type x, okay. So here type, and inside that just write name, okay. And now just try to run it. What it is giving, it is string value. Now just type the age and try to run. What it is giving, it is giving int value, because age is int. Now ask salary. What is salary? Sorry, okay, SALARY. Which type of data type is salary? See, float value. Salary is float value. Now same way you can ask the data type by writing this. Now is employee true or false? So you just write is underscore employee, run it. This is what kind of value? Bool value it is giving. So in this way you can check the value. Moving to the next real world example, that server name prod, CPU usage. So you can check like this is what kind of bool, or string or float, what kind of data it is there. You can check like that. Now come variable, I hope you understand, and I showed you the example also. Now moving to the comment in Python. So yesterday class also I have covered that comments in Python, meaning, 1 minute. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. So, sorry. Comment in Python. So in day 5 also I have explained comments in Python why we use, but as of now we just go through a quick recall. Comments are lines in the code that ignored by Python and that use explain code, improve readability, help other understanding logic for human things. For example, here only I have written here. See, this is a string value. Okay, we are checking the data type, that is fine, but we are writing for our understanding. So, and with the starting with has. So this is nothing but comment. But I will show you the example also. Single line comment. This has we can use. Like this program prints a message, print hello program. So if you will write this, okay. So we are writing all this thing. But what it will print? Leave it this. What it will print? Are you thinking this is going to print this line? Let us check together. What it is printing? Only hello Python. It is not printing this Python prints a message. This is for our understanding. This is nothing but comment. Now this is single line comment. Multi-line comment is like this is a Python program written for beginners. So this also like is fine, but Python does not have a dedicated multi-line comment syntax, but we use multi-line single comment like this. This is recommended way. Okay, for example, let me show you this again. What it is? Learning Python. All these are commented. Now single line block comment. So a block comment means commenting out code lines. See, print, this line is disabled. Print, this line will run. So that is used for debugging, testing code. So whatever we are printing only, that thing only like which we have to execute, but sometime for testing purpose we just make it to comment the C that line itself, so that we will run other line, because maybe that line is not necessary for that point of time. But I will show you the practical also. See this two line. Okay, just copy it and paste, or you people have to write. See, now this line will run, and if you will remove this, what will happen? Both line will be is running. You can make it again, comment it like second line. I am commenting this time. Now just run. What it will do? It will print first line. So this is when we have to comment the line which we want to execute, but testing purpose we just comment it. So that is nothing but single line block comment. Multi-line block comment, same. And one is triple quote. Okay, so triple quote like in real life we not really use, because they create multi-line string and use for mainly doc strings. But I never used multi-string, but to show you people I can show you. But generally we use this comment only, single line comment. But for explaining, let me show you the practical also. Okay, nothing is printing because all line are commented. So this is multi-line comment, but I don't think they are using. Now doc string, here I have written used mainly for doc string. Doc string means special case, very important, used for document, functional, classes, modules. For example, def add a and b, we have to add, and this function returns sum of the two number, right? Return a plus b. So x is dog string, so we will write print dog add and add dog. Now in this scenario, if we have to comment, we can't comment here. So in that scenario, if some function is there in some class, if you want to comment, or some module you want to comment, in that scenario you can use multi-string comment. See this. So like, let me show you, so it will be good. Okay, let me show you. So in that scenario only we will use just print. 1 minute. Syntax error, line 4. I'll check this later. Yeah. Now we understood variable and comment in Python. Real example. Now numbers in Python. So Python mainly use two numeric data, integer and float. So int means integer, float means floating point, like pointer values. So integer is a whole number, like no decimal. Okay, and float will be is a number with decimal point, but that will be also number with decimal point. This is the example of integer, this is the example of float. Now coming to the arithmetic operation. So for addition we use this symbol, plus symbol, subtraction this, multiplication star or asterisk, division this backslash, floor division means double backslash, modules this is, and exponent we use like this. So if you want, you can take a screenshot, because this is the arithmetic operation. Whenever you are going to run any Python command, you have to use it. Okay, and I will upload this PDF in my Telegram channel. So if you didn't join my Telegram channel, go and join it. Like, link is there in my YouTube channel, and in the same video itself I will try to paste my Telegram channel link. So from there you will get PDF, and you can directly talk to me in my Telegram channel, and if you have any doubt, I will make sure to clear your doubt. Now arithmetic operation, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3, a plus b, print. So all this operation we are going to do. Okay, copy it. Now see, first value is a plus b. What it is giving? 13. A minus b, 7. A into b, 30. A divided by b. So all the value you are getting here. So in this way we can use plus, minus, multiply, division, everything you will get with help of this. Okay, module means 1, and this is power 1000. I hope you understand. So int and float together. That, see, here we do only with integer. Now if you have to do int and float, that also you can do, and result will be in a float. Okay, so that I will show you. See, if you will do two things, int, and this is int value, this is float value, and we are going to add it. Now execute it. What we are getting? 7.5. That is 7.5. That we are getting. A plus b means float value when we are adding it. Okay, now real world example, and like a minus b. So all this thing you will try from your end, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box, or you can directly talk to me in the Telegram channel. Now string manipulation in Python. Okay, So what is string, how we can manipulate string in Python. So string means a sequence of character enclosed in a single quote, double quote or triple quote. So A first, Python tool, Git, message, learning Python strings. So manipulation is some type like concatenation, means adding to value. Repetition means same value you want to repeat for how many times. Indexing means something you want to add starting. And slicing means you, if some word is there, you want to cut it in three parts. So format is like, I will explain, but first we will understand how concatenation will work and what is concatenation. If you are hearing it first time, so it will be difficult for you, but let me explain, broke and explain. See, my first word is dev, second word is ops, result I want first plus second. See, before this we added integer plus float value, integer minus float value, or integer plus integer. Here if we want to add to a string value, so that is nothing but concatenation. So how can we add two words and you make it as a together? So that is only we are going to do, and we call as in Python language we call as a slicing. So first word is dev, second word is ops. Now result is equal to first plus second. Print result. Okay. Now it should have to print DevOps. Let me check it. See what it is printing, DevOps. In the same way, it is not like DevOps. You just write study with and Varsha. I don't think it will work, but let me check because space is there. Let me check. Yeah, see, study with Varsha. Now here if in starting I will give space and now just run. How it is giving? Study with Varsha. So in the same way we can add multiple words and you make as a single word. So that is nothing but slicing in, concatenation in Python. Concatenate means add string values. Now repetition. Hi I have written and I want to write hi thrice. So I am not going to write thrice triple. Instead of that I will use asterisk. This is only asterisk. Just copy it or you just write here. Word is hi. Print word into thrice of hi, or here you can write like study with Varsha. Okay. Now just try to run it. We have used print word asterisk 3. See, study with Varsha, study with Varsha, study with Varsha. So thrice it have been written, study with Varsha. Now this is nothing but repetition in Python. Okay. Now indexing in Python. So text is Python, print text 0. Let me explain indexing with the help of this example only, because if you people are using it for first time, it's really difficult. See, indexing means what? See, some value is there. Okay. So 5, say 4. So in Python, if we'll talk about, so this 2 is there na, so that is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So if we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, but it will start with 0. So if we want to write this P, this it means this is index 1, this is index 2, this is 3, 4, 5, like that it will go. Okay. Now if you will write execute this P, indexing 0, that is P, indexing -1, and from right to left, this is 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. From this side it will go minus, from this side it will go 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from last it will start minus 1, but from starting it will start with 0. So that is indexing. I will explain indexing also, but for as of now you understand. Now if we want to print only this 0, like first word, then you can write print text 0. Print text minus 1 means last. If you will write here print text minus 2, it will write O. See, like that it will work. Now slicing. Slicing means if some word is there and you want to slice it, then we will use slicing, and I will explain this topic as well with the example itself, so you will better understand. So remove all of this. Right. Now the word is there, Python is there. Okay. Now I want to slice Python itself. So what I will do, text is Python. So print 0 ratio 4. 0 means what? 0 means what? This P. 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to O. Now second I have to print 2 and nothing is there, means after this word whatever the word will be there, that it will take if you are not writing anywhere. So 0, 1, 2, after 2 whatever the thing is will be there, considering the 2 word it will print all. So THON it will print, and nothing is there and colon 3 is there, means before colon 3 whatever the thing will be there, it will consider all the word excluding that word. So now let's try it. Let me comment. No, leave it. So first one is, see, 0 slice 4 PHYT. 2 colon nothing, means after 2 this word whatever it will be there, that it will considering. So this is nothing but slicing. I hope you understand slicing as well. Now format output using F string. So what is F string? F string is nothing but that will be clean, fast, readable and best practices for Python. So example, see, Varsha name DevOps 3.2 or whatever the experience. Print F, my name is name. Good. Print F, I work in that skill. Print F, I have experience. How many years of experience, that will be give. So that expression inside F, that will give you the value, string value, like A is equal to 10, B is equal to, then now sum F sum is A plus B. So in this way also we can do, but let me show you also so that you will understand. What it is giving. F, my name is name, means my name is Varsha. Now I work in dash. Ab see, if here why we are using, for example, if I want to replace, I don't need to replace full line. My name is Varsha, I work in DevOps, I have 3.2 year of experience. No. Now if here I will change Varsha to Rohan. Okay, now just try to run. See, my name is Rohan. We only have to change the value and other thing will be remain, and it will, the whole sentence is same. So that's why we use F. Now F string we have seen, expression also we have seen. See, sum is, now it will show sum of A plus B is 15. Let me show you. Remove this and write this and run it. What it is saying? The sum is 15. So this is F string. I hope you understand. That is length, Python length. So this, see, this is the length, this is a string operation. Like if we want to know the length of the word, you can use that word, and it will consider space also. Let me show you. See, this is 6 word. Okay, leave it. Okay, and just execute. What it is giving? 6. Now adds one space before Python, one space. Now run. It is giving 7, means space also it is considering. So this is some of the operations, like print length to check the length of the file, membership like py in text, that is true or not, java in text false. So on comparison, and comparison I will show you, this is true or not. Okay, comparison also we can do. So this is true or not, so both are true. But here if I will write b, now check it is true or not. True. Sorry, it is not equal to. And here I have, that will become true only. Here I have write c. Now let me check, first one is true or false. False, because both are not equal. So you can use comparison also. Now, essential string method common used: print, Python DevOps, upper, lower. Like this value you want to make as uppercase, lowercase, or you want to make as a title. So that also you can use case methods. So case methods also I have. I'm going to show you, and do remember always, try to practice all of this thing. And this pdf I am going to share in my telegram channel. So if you didn't join, go and join, and you can practice this, whatever the example I am giving, just practice it, so that people will have get some confidence. See, message dot upper, it will print uppercase. Message dot lower, it will print lowercase. Message dot title, so it will make as a title means first word will be caps, and that second one will start also will be caps. So in this way you can change. All I will going to, so remove a space. So in hello, space is there, how can we remove a space? So, and that is the example. You just practice, and more you people will practice, more and more you will learn. See this, how remove and add, replace and find. How can you replace? Like I love python, so I want to replace python with devops. So how can we replace? So print text dot replace, in the place of python I want to replace devops. Okay, and text find. So you will do like all the example, you will just practice. I already have shown a lots of but you also have to give your, see, love DevOps. I love Python, I love DevOps. And second one, it is two, it is retaining. So that is lots of things. Split and join, how can we split and join, check methods. So all this practice, you just do practice. String immutability. Immutability means that a string cannot be changed after creation. So text is equal to python. Now text 0 is j. So that is never going to change. This you can't replace string value. Okay, it will give you error. Let me show you. So string value, once you have write, you can't replace that value. See, it will give you error, type error. Okay, and the correct way is python new text j plus text 1. In text 1 I have to do. So this is the correct way, and try to do this. See, now is Jython. What I have done and what previously I have done. Previously directly I want to reach exchange, so that will not work. How it will not? Text is python new text. I'm not replacing, I'm adding j. Okay, plus where I want to add text 1. This is the text 1, and now I want to add text 1. So with this variable, so here what I have done, 1 colon nothing. Okay, so means everything it will come, and 1 means 0 and 1. So 1, so it will exclude the value python. And now what I am printing, I'm not replacing, I'm printing. This is new text. P, y, okay, and before y I want to add j. So, and one colon, nothing means everything it will come. So y thon it will consider, okay, and this p, it will be there only, but this is new text, and whatever I'm printing new text. So in new text what it will happen, it will give this value like j, it is coming, that is I'm adding j, okay. Now one colon nothing means all this ython will come, ython will come. So in this way we are printing new, we are not replacing, we are printing new text. That you keep remember, we can't replace a string, but we can create new string and we can add some value there. Now that's why it is giving Jython. Understood? Great. Now real world DevOps are like this. So I hope you like this video. You understand. If you didn't understand, comment in the comment box, or again and again I'm saying you can connect me in the Telegram channel. You can ask your doubt there. In tomorrow's class I will try to explain all thing theory and practical together, not with a different class. So that will be good for you. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day, guys.